If someone told me these 10 frugal habits would save me over $500 a month, I would have laughed. But here we are. These are the weird, random, almost embarrassing money-saving habits I now swear by. You don't need to be broke to try them, just smart. Frugal living isn't always cute. You're not lighting candles, sipping matcha, and wearing aesthetic loungewear while money magically saves itself. Sometimes it means digging foil out of the trash because it's barely used. Or trimming your own hair with dull craft scissors. But I've saved over $500 a month with habits like that. And in this economy, that's survival. These aren't your average skip-the-latte tips. These are weird, uncomfortable, practical habits that helped me stop living paycheck to paycheck. And maybe they'll help you too. Tip number 1. I reuse aluminum foil and Ziploc bags. Religiously. Let's start with something that sounds dirty, but isn't. Foil can be reused up to 4 to 5 times if it's not torn or covered in cheese. Ziploc bags? As long as they don't have raw meat or oily sauce, they go into a soapy bowl, get rinsed, and dry overnight. Most people toss this stuff after one use, and then they complain about spending too much on groceries. I used to go through a box of Ziploc every 2 weeks. Now one box lasts me 6 months. Monthly savings, approximately $15. Environmental win? Bonus. Tip number 2. I shower with the drain. Plug in. I don't reuse the water, I'm not that hardcore. But seeing how much water I wasted in one shower gave me a wake-up call. So I started racing the water. I'd shampoo and rinse before it hit my ankles. I also turned the water off while lathering. Over a month, my water bill dropped by $22. I'm cleaner, faster, and slightly more competitive with myself. Tip number 3. I only drink room. Temp. Tap water. No soda, no juice, no cold drinks, no fancy filters. Just water from the tap, poured into jars I saved from pasta sauce or pickles. I used to be addicted to iced coffees, sparkling water, even pre-made smoothies. Now, I drink plain water all day. And guess what? I've never felt better. Not only do I save $40 a month, but I stopped having random sugar crashes. Tip number 4. I cut my hair. With craft scissors. Let me be honest, I was terrified the first time. But I couldn't justify $60 for a haircut anymore. I watched tutorials. I tried the ponytail method. I learned how to snip in tiny layers. My first attempt? Kinda rough. My third? Looked salon-worthy. Now I cut my own hair every 2 to 3 months. That's $300 per year back in my pocket. Monthly savings, around $25 to $30. Plus, I always get to decide when I want to trim. Tip number 5. I wear the same 4 shirts on rotation. Minimalism isn't a Pinterest board, it's a mindset. I found 4 tops that fit, matched everything, and held up in the wash. That's my uniform. Laundry takes less time, I buy fewer clothes, and I feel weirdly free. No decision fatigue, no trends to chase, just clean, functional style. Between laundry costs, detergent, water, and avoiding random fashion splurges, I save about $40 to $60 a month. Tip number 6. I freeze bread. Heels and banana peels. Most people throw away ends of bread or overripe bananas. Not me, I freeze them all. Bread heels? I toast and blend them for breadcrumbs. Bananas, smoothies, veggie scraps, homemade stock, even citrus peels? I boil them for DIY cleaner. It's trash turned into treasure, and it saved me $50 a month in groceries and cleaning supplies. Tip number 7. I turn off the Wi-Fi at night. Why? Because my router doesn't need to be awake when I'm sleeping. It's a small energy drain, but more than that, it stops me from scrolling and online shopping at 2 a.m. My impulse buys were killing me. Now, I read books. I sleep earlier. This one habit saved my sleep and my money. Estimated monthly savings. $10 in electricity plus $50 in fewer late-night Amazon regrets. Tip number 8. I shop my apartment. Every Sunday. Every Sunday I make myself shop, inside my home. I check what I already have before I go out to buy anything. Turns out I had 4 tubes of toothpaste, 3 half-used shampoos, and 2 bottles of multi-purpose cleaner hiding in drawers. No need to buy what I already own. This ritual now saves me $30 to $50 a month consistently. Tip number 9. I use cut-up old t-shirts instead of paper towels. I haven't bought paper towels or tissues in 2 years. I use cut-up old shirts for cleaning, drying hands, and yes, even as tissue replacements, washed after every use. People think that's extreme. I think spending $20 a month on paper towels is extreme. I toss the used clothes in with my regular laundry. Zero extra effort. Tip number 10. I delay every purchase by 48 hours. The 48-hour rule is my ultimate impulse buy killer. If I want to buy anything, clothes, decor, even food delivery, I wait 2 full days. 90% of the time, I forget about it or find a cheaper version. This mental trick has probably saved me hundreds per year, and it makes spending feel intentional instead of emotional. Total monthly savings, over $500. Let's break it down. Reusing foil and bags, $15. Shower, guilt game, $25. Tap water, only $40. Haircuts, $30. Capsule wardrobe, $50. Freezer, habits, $50. Wi-Fi, shutdown, $60. Shop your home, $40. Cloth greater than paper, $20. 48-hour. Rule $100. Total, $400 not, $30 to $500. $50 per month. What people think versus what's true. People think frugal living means sacrificing everything fun. But the truth is, you start appreciating simple things. You become intentional, you slow down, you get creative. I used to spend money without thinking. Now I save money without suffering. Want to start? Here's how. 1. Start with 3 of these habits. Don't overwhelm yourself. 2. Track your wins. $10 saved here, $20 there. It adds up fast. 3. Make it fun. Turn saving money into a challenge, a game, or even content. 4. Be shameless. Weird is fine. Being broke and stressed is not. If you made it to the end, you're either frugal or curious. Either way, remember this. You don't need to earn more to feel rich. You just need to stop giving your money away to things that don't matter. These weird tips aren't just about saving money, they're about taking back control. So go ahead. Wash that foil. Cut your own hair. Drink your water warm. And when people call you weird, smile. Because you're weird. And winning. Comment your weirdest money-saving habit. Save this video if you want to try one. Follow for more tips on thriving, not just surviving, on less.